Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I've got my gratis for the month of September from Sephora. If you aren't familiar with what gratis is, it's basically free products we get for working at Sephora, and really we're able to speak to it better to you guys. So if you go into a Sephora and everybody knows every detail about every product, it's probably because they get a lot of gratis. They're able to try it, see what they like, what they don't like, what works for different skin types, etc, etc. I could go on, but basically it's a really cool perk of working there, but it's all about educating ourselves and getting familiar with the products. And if you're already a subscriber or have seen my other videos, you can see this is a different spot than what I've been working in, and it's still in progress. I'm kind of getting things ready. I've got a little bit going on behind me. Some of it's messy, some of it doesn't look that good, but yeah, I've got a little new dresser behind me, and there's a cat over there. So let's dive right in. The first thing I'm going to tell you about is this. So this was a foundation gratis specifically. So they actually asked us our shades, and a bunch of different brands decided to give us foundation and concealer. We got from Nars just like a sample, I can't remember what these are called, but you know, the little sample bubbles or whatever, so we can try different shades. I already have this foundation and I really love it, so I'll probably just put this as like a little extra in my next giveaway and let somebody else give it a shot. I got the Sephora Collection Pro Core Diffuser. So I actually have this in this slanted version. This is one that's just like flat, but it's got dense bristles in the middle and then kind of like dispersed bristles around to kind of give a diffused airbrush kind of look. I do like that brush, and I think I might like this one even better. And this is number 94 from Sephora Collection, the Pro line. I got the Naked Skin Weightless Ultra Definition Liquid Makeup. Ooh, I got shade 1.5. I have 0.5 that I've been using. I would say it's probably like 60% still full, so I can definitely mix the two, but I'll probably be 1.5 right now and then can start to mix as I go towards the winter months and I get fairer. Next, I got the Nars Radiant Creamy Concealer. I got the shade Chantilly. I always get their light shade. I really love this concealer, and I feel like it's been one that has become a little like underrated as other concealers like Shape Tape have come out, but I honestly will use this any day of the week. I love it. I know what to expect. It's good quality, and as my skin gets a little drier as it gets cooler, this is perfect because it's got a little bit of more of a hydrating feel to it. I got the Clinique Even Better makeup in 02 Breeze. Previously I never had a shade in this for years, and it's got a pretty good like medium coverage. It's kind of a more basic foundation, but if you're sensitive it can be really good. The Tarte Amazonian Clay Full Coverage Foundation, I got Porcelain Beige. I used to use this all the time. So back before I ever worked for Clinique, which we just had a Clinique product, I wore this and I put it on with their big kabuki like buffing brush. I loved it. And when I went to Clinique, she's like, "What are you wearing?" And I remember thinking, ooh, it's not Clinique. But yeah, I loved it because of the amazing coverage. I felt like I was always insecure about discoloration in my skin and having like texture, so I wanted something that was really covering everything. It's still good, but nowadays I would prefer to kind of thin it out a little bit, and I'm much better at makeup now, so it definitely looks better now. I also got the Tarte Creaseless Concealer in the new packaging, which is the wand, and I think it's a really pretty packaging as well. I got the new Makeup Forever Matte Velvet Skin, so this is different from their original Matte Velvet. I'm really excited to try this now. I don't know if I'll love it more towards November, December, January, but for right now I think it will be good as I get a little tiny bit oily in the summer. I got the Too Faced Born This Way foundation in my shade Snow. I've used this before. It's not one of my all-time ultimate favorites, but it's a good staple to have, and definitely not mad at having another one. Kind of wish we got the new concealer instead though, because I hear it's amazing. And then this is now a good mixture of products that you'll be able to see. So the first one I actually have on right now, I'm wearing it for the very first time. I have on the IT CC Oil-Free Matte Foundation. Mine is in Fair Light, and so far I really like it. It feels matte, but not overly matte or overly dry, and it doesn't feel heavy, cakey, or anything. I did powder quite a bit because I hear this is not super matte, and I have a long day ahead of me. I'm actually about to head out to work as soon as I finish this, so I definitely wanted it to make sure it would last. And yeah, so far so good. I will definitely update you guys in one of my vlogs if you want to see more about it. I got the Glam Glow Super Mud Clearing Treatment in the mega size, which I am thrilled about. I could not be happier to have this. I love this mask. I think of all the masks I've tried, this is probably my favorite because when I have an issue, it fixes it. My pores look smaller. If I have a breakout, it clears it up faster. I love it. I got the Lancome Energy de Vie. This is the lotion and gel. So this is kind of like a, it's like a toner essence serum, but it's a little thicker, so I don't quite know what to think about this. I am excited to give it a try though. I got from Velour Lashes. These are their, I don't see the style name, but it says Live-In Lashes. These are kind of like a little smaller, wispier, and more full on the outer corner. I think I'm gonna like these a lot. They also gave us a velour glue, so really excited to try these out. Started to put them on today, but I wanted to leave my mascara on because I've been trying the new Hourglass Caution mascara and I wanted to see how it would do. I also got this in Gratis. It was in this bag. So I tried 2 products from this Gratis and I really like this mascara. I prefer not to have to put on multiple coats of mascara, even if I don't get as much volume, and my lashes look really good right now. Yes, highly recommend. I got the Bobbi Brown Skin Foundation. This is in the shade 0 Porcelain, so this is what it looks like. Hopefully this will be a good winter shade for me. I think it will be. It's a little, probably a little light right now, but I do get super fair in the winter once my kind of tan is gone. I know this doesn't look like a tan, but for me it is. So I know this isn't a lot of coverage, so this will probably be on days where I don't want to look so made up and I want to look more natural. I think this is Nars called Rated R, a little duo. I love bright colors, as you know. It would have been fun to pop that lime on. And I believe this is Nars as well. This is called Reckless. I don't know if this is a blush or highlight. Looks awfully light to be a blush. It's got a little glitter to it. I don't know if you're gonna be able to see that at all. It's got a little sheen, but it's also got some glitter. So yeah, I'll just have to try that out. Also got another, I think this is Nars as well. Yeah, Nars Topless. This is a dual intensity shadow. It's like a little duochrome. So it's just a little light pinky shade. Also got the IT Cosmetics Brow Power in Universal Taupe. I don't hate this pencil. It's not my all-time favorite, simply because I like a finer tip on my pencil and I do like something a little darker because as you build it up, you kind of go through the pencil faster. So you can make it darker by kind of going on a little heavier, but then you go through it really fast, and I'd rather have a little darker pencil. I got 2 of these Dior. These are the Dior Addict glosses. I've got 453 and 853. Really pretty. So these pretty little things over here. I also got this Dior blush. I don't know what shade this is, but that's what it looks like. I got the Stila. This is the Shimmer and Glow liquid eyeshadow. It has somebody else's name all over it because we swapped. It's a really pretty blue. And excuse me because that's next to an eyeliner swatch, but it's a really gorgeous blue. I was trying to use natural light, and of course the light's like feigning and there's clouds over. Oh well. A few little bitty things left. My Super Mud actually came with a brush, so that's a little masked brush to apply it with. And then I've got a ultra tiny cleanser. I mean, I feel like this is like 1 use of cleanser or 2 maybe. This is the Dr. Dennis Gross Alpha Beta Cleansing Gel, and it's soap and sulfate free. It's just uber tiny. I would say I would take that with me when I go on my trip, but I don't think it would last. So maybe like that and another tiny cleanser. And then I got a little size of the IGK Rich Kid Coconut Oil Gel, just a little baby. I've tried this. I do like it a lot. I don't get many uses out of this because with longer hair, I do put a little bit more than they suggest, but I really like it. It works. So that was everything I got in my Gratis for the month of September. I hope you enjoyed seeing that. If you have any questions about the products below, if you want to see me try anything in a video, then just let me know, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.